Hi, here at H.Mitchell car sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2017 Hyundai i30 1.4 turbo with the 140 brake horsepower engine. This is the SE model with satellite navigation. This car's finished in phantom black metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, chrome trim running around the door, tops, shark fin roof aerial, 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with patterned centre panels and the light grey stitching. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Centre armrests with twin cup holders. Isofix fixing point for the baby seat. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors, which is also linked to a rear parking camera. So into the rear load area, you've got the 60-40 split rear seat. Securing points for larger loads, and this car's also got the space saver spare wheel. Moving around onto the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round. Electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors. So on the dashboard you've got the controls to turn off the traction control. You've also got lane departure mode. Centre armrest with internal storage box, twin cup holders. So this car's done 20,836 miles. Centre console, you've got the parking sensor turning off switch, you've got stop start deactivation switch, 6-speed gearbox, 12 volt plug-ins, you've got the USB and auxiliary port, heater control with manual air conditioning, then you've got the touchscreen media system, so you've got full screen navigation. So on the audio side you've got AM, FM and DAB radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device. And then we've got the view from the rear camera when you place the vehicle in reverse. Automatic headlamps. Controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. On the other side you've got the controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. So moving back outside the car again, moving forward, driver's side front alloy wheel, okay. I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.